Hey everybody, it's your girl Charlotte Van Horn, Black Expats in Panama. And I just wanted to hop on here real quick and say thank you. Thanks to everyone who came out to Welcome Wednesday. The rain and the traffic were absolutely horrific. So when everybody showed up in spite of, it just warmed my heart. It was great seeing some of you and meeting those who were coming for the first time. The next Welcome Wednesday will be September 18th at 6 p.m. at the Daiquiri 23 Event Center in El Cangrejo, Panama City. I will see you in the place. Thanks, everybody.